Welcome to the Minute, where we dive deep into world news. Today we're exploring the intersection of technology and geopolitics. AI chatbots like Google's Bard, Microsoft's Bing, and ChatGPT Plus have been caught in a crossfire of misinformation about the Israel-Hamas conflict. These digital assistants have been dishing out false claims about a ceasefire and providing ambiguous responses. Google has acknowledged these errors, promising improvements. Meanwhile, Microsoft and OpenAI remain silent. On the flip side, we see AI playing a pivotal role in the tech sector's expected end-of-year rally. Wedbush Securities forecasts a 12 to 15% jump, attributing the surge to robust third-quarter earnings amplified by artificial intelligence. This is the power and peril of AI. It can drive economic growth and also spread misinformation. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more in the next minute.